From just a garage startup to a revenue close to 35,000 crore, this brand have become a titan in the global paint industry. Imagine this, it's 1942, amidst World War II. Four visionary friends decided to start a venture right out of a garage, inspired by the tradition of decorating bulls for the Pongal festival. Thus, Asian Paints was born. Recognizing the unique landscape of the Indian market, Asian Paints skipped the traditional wholesale and connected directly with the dealers. This strategy not only widened the reach but also strengthened the control over the market. Parallelly, the local advertising campaign highlighted the quality and durability of their product, swiftly building a strong brand presence. From the very beginning, Asian Paints wasn't about selling paint, it was about offering solutions. They pioneered the use of supercomputers in India to analyze customer demand patterns, a move that led to the introduction of specialized products like weather-resistant paint tailored for Indian conditions. Asian Paints mastered the art of emotional connection through its campaign. The iconic "Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai" resonated deeply, illustrating how every wall and every color reflects the story of those within. This wasn't just advertising, it was creating a narrative that consumer felt part of. Let's talk about numbers. By financial year 2023, Asian Paints reported a revenue of staggering 34,000 crores, marking an 18% growth year on year and commanding a dominant 50% share of the Indian decorative paint market. These aren't just numbers, they are milestone of a continually evolving giant. As we step into 2024, Asian Paints is seamlessly integrating into the digital era. They have introduced virtual painting consultations and interactive online tools, understanding the shift in consumer interaction. Their engagement with social media influencers is bringing the brand into the modern homes of the younger audience. From a modest garage startup to a global leader, Asian Paints paint a picture of relentless innovation, deep understanding of consumer and dynamic adaptation. They have not just added colors to wall, but to life, proving understanding your roots and embracing the change are the colors of success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more inspiring brand stories. Do you know what was their first innovation? We will give you a hint. It was something related to festivities. Drop your guesses in the comment section below.